In this video, I'll be showing you how to install WhatsApp app on Android. It's the very best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you just switched to Android or you're currently using WhatsApp on the web, so you wanted to install the application because it's just much better and much more convenient. So what you want to do is go over to your Google Play Store. Once you're here, go over to search, which is in the middle, and then go to search apps and games at the very top. Now over here, go ahead and search up WhatsApp, and you're going to see WhatsApp Messenger as the first option. So all you want to do at this point is go ahead and click install. Now this can, take a bit depending on your internet, but if it's quick, it doesn't take long at all because it is only a small file. Now, once you've gone ahead and done that, it might not be on your home screen by default. So what you want to do is swipe upwards, go to your apps that you've selected, then long press on the WhatsApp icon. You're going to see add to home as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that, and now WhatsApp is on your home screen as well, ready for you to use and ready for you to connect to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.